Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a Google account. Okay, the first thing you must have is an internet connection. It's either you're using your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Then the second thing you will need is a web browser to go to Google, sign up, whatever. So let's do that. Let's go to Google, to the Google page where we can create our Google account. So yeah. Okay, let's move on. So the first thing, like when you get to your web browser, go to the search bar and search create Google account. Type create Google account.
When I'm lost to the wind, when the fire's all but smoke, when the birds have got nothing left to sing, I will drift away. I won't waste the hours holding on to fire, like a dreamer losing sense of time. I will drift.
Okay, now then let's write our first name and last name in this page, and also in the username whatever table, mix your first name and your last name, and also some numbers if you want in your email. So let's do that. And yeah, and also do not forget to write your password and confirm your password which you have written in that first table. So yeah. Your first and last name, write it down. Then in the username, add your first name and also your last name. Now write your password. And also next to that password, that confirm what table, also write that password you have written in that first table. Then let's move on. Okay, now here in this page, you must either choose your recovery email or your number. Choose between the two, the recovery email or the number. Like when you have forgotten your password, you must have something to get the reset link. So let's say you forgot your password, so you will say to Google you have forgotten your password, and they will send the reset link where you can reset your password. So yeah, choose. It's either your friend's email or your cell phone number. It's up to you. Then below that, write your month, your day, your date of birth. Choose your month, your day, and your year. And also below that, choose your gender. Okay, now let's move on. On the last page, you will find the privacy and terms and conditions of having a Google account. Read them. It's important to read them and know the terms and conditions. When you are done, just press next, and you'll move on to another page where you can customize your email address, your Google account, where you can add profile picture to your email account. Also put security measures and also personalize your stuff. And yeah, so yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something. Then I'm done.